Now let's talk about parabola. Ano ba yung parabola? Parabola is a set of points P wherein ang distance ng point P to a fixed point called F, which is focus, and to fixed line called directrix are the same. So ano ba yung ibig ko sabihin? Let's say, meron tayong mga parts ng parabola. In this parabola, as a fixed point, we call it focus. Sa ibaba ng focus, meron tayong vertex. At sa ibaba pa nun, there is a fixed line. We call it directrix. Let's call focus as F, vertex as V, directrix as L. Now, based on that property, the distance from focus up to point P and P to a fixed line, directrix, are the same. So kahit saan ka kumuha ng distance yan mula sa focus to any point of a parabola will always be equals. Now, if you're going to look at the focus, the vertex, the directrix, nakaline yan or sunod-sunod yan. Always remember na laging nasa gitna itong vertex B. So, kung meron tayong vertex B, doon sa center naman dati, meron tayo sa circle, yung center niya is HK. Ngayon, eto na yung vertex. Ito na yung HK ngayon. Now, if the distance from focus to vertex is equals to C, pareho lang yung distance from vertex to a fixed line, which is directrix, is equals also to C. And then, the distance perpendicular to y-axis that intersects focus, we call it the Latus rectum. So, ano ba yung papel ng Latus rectum? Siya yung nagsasabi how wide, how steep, kung gaano kaluwang, kung gaano kakitid, yung opening ng parabola. In this example, we have a parabola that opens upward. Always remember na kung nasaan man yung directrix, nakatalikod lagi yung parabola. Example, kung nabaliktad tayo, ito yung naging directrix. Pababa yung direction ng parabola. Now, meron tayong equation of a parabola in standard form. The quantity of x minus h squared is equals to 4 times the quantity of y minus k. So, in this given figure, let's identify some of the points that needed in order to find the equation of a parabola. Let's say this vertex is at 0, 0. We have the directrix at, this is -1, this is -2. And our focus is at, this is 1 and this is 2. So we have here 0 and 2. Pero yung vertex is at HK, yun yung importanteng nandun. And of course, kaya nilagay natin yung coordinate nito, yung units nito for the value of C. We have there the constant C. Now let's substitute x minus 0 squared is equals to 4 times 2 y minus 0. And then for method, x minus 0 squared will become x squared is equals to 4 times 2 is 8 times y is y. And then this one distributes 0, it becomes 0. So therefore, the equation of the parabola is x squared equals 8y. So this is the equation of the parabola. This is x squared is equals to 8y. Now, the latus rectum is equals to 4c. If latus rectum is equals to 4c, therefore, this is 2c. Ang kabila will also be 2c. So therefore, c is equals to 2. There is no negative distance. C is equals to 2. Latus rectum is equals to 4 times 2 is equals to 8. If the latus rectum is equals to 8, totality of the length of this latus rectum is equals to 8. So therefore, the half of this is 4. And the half of this is equals to 4. So therefore, if you want to find the endpoints of the parabola of its latus rectum, we have here, if this is 4, the x is in this part, this is negative 4 because it is at the left side of the origin. So you have negative 4 and 2. At the other endpoint of the latus rectum, you have, of course, this is 4 and 2. And therefore, it appears that the constant before the y is the latus rectum itself. Okay?